Hey everybody, I'm here today to do a review of this Chialstar Mini Electric Massager. In this video review, I'll be going over the features and functions of this unit and telling you about my own personal opinion on the electric massager. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. As you can see, this is the massager and it is definitely awesome in my opinion. With regards to the coloration and the design, it's fantastic. I love the coloration. It's nice and vibrant. It allows it to stand out. And with regards to the design, it's absolutely amazing. I like the way that there are 3 points down here at the bottom and that they are contoured appropriately for massaging your neck and your shoulders and so forth effectively. Now I'm just going to place this down. This is what the packaging looks like for the unit. As you can see, it says Chialstar Mini Electric Massager CL-B716. Very simple packaging, very simple instructions inside of it. I like that about it. And then it also comes with this convenient little carrying bag. So that means that I can just place the massager in here and then carry it around. So I can place the massager in the carrying bag, tighten it up, and then there you have it. You can throw this inside of your backpack, leave it in your car, wherever you think you will need it. Then once you're ready to use it, you just take it out, and then I'll show you how easy it is to turn on. There's literally one button on the unit. This here at the top is the button to turn it on and off. And I like it because it's kind of integrated for the most part. It doesn't exactly look like a button. It doesn't stand out like a lever or a switch, but it is indeed how you turn it on. Now all that you do is press it down once to turn it on. And as you can hear, it is massaging. Now I like this because all 3 of these points are massaging right now, and you can see the illumination right there. I'll just hold my hand up again so you can see the lights right there illuminating. So all of these are vibrating and massaging, and this part at the top here is also massaging too. So you can use this in addition to massage and so forth. I'm just going to turn it off right now so I don't waste the batteries. So it does run on 3 AAA batteries. Now, I like having some things that are rechargeable, and I like having other things that run on batteries. This is one thing that I like having that runs on batteries, because if you're using it, let's say you're massaging your neck after a rough day and the batteries run out, instead of having to wait to charge it up again, you just replace the batteries and you're good to go. So some things, you know, it's for me, in my own opinion, some things it's good to have them where they are able to recharge. With something like this, because you know, when you're using it in the moment, you don't want to stop using it until you're ready to stop. You really want it to run on batteries. This way, if the batteries run out, you don't have to wait for it to recharge. You can just keep going. And that's basically it. It's really easy to actually open up and install the batteries. You just twist this part right here counterclockwise. You can see the 3 batteries inside of there, and then you twist it back down. Now, when I did put the batteries in for the first time, I noticed that it wasn't working at the beginning. And the reason is because, and it shows this in the instruction manual, with some of the units, you have to twist the cap. I'm just trying to get the cap on here. You have to twist the cap fully on, fully down. And with other units, you have to loosen it just a bit. So let's say twist it fully down. I'm clicking it and it's not turning on, right? But if you loosen it just a little bit, let's try a little bit more. When you click it, now it turns on. And I think that's because of the metal portion underneath the cap combined with the metal over here. I believe that, you know, this, I think, I don't know if this is the case, but I think that these parts have to connect with these parts. So if you twist it too tightly, these parts over here might only be over here. So you have to kind of loosen it or tighten it depending on the unit. So just so you know, like I said, it's in the instruction manual that if it doesn't turn on, then just like now, the batteries are in there and it wasn't turning on, you just have to loosen it a little bit. It says right in the instruction manual, and then it will indeed turn on. And that's basically it. In this video, I just wanted to do this review of this Chialstar Mini Electric Massager. I really like the unit, and I just wanted to review it with you in this video. And on a side note, the illumination, I really like the lighting, because if you're using this in a dark environment, you can know where it is and know where to use it on your neck and your shoulders and so forth. If you like the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.